You're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for injuries you suffered by careless doctors and a hospital. Is there ever a reason why, after suing 3 or 4 different doctors, at some point during the course of your lawsuit, you would discontinue your lawsuit against 2 or even 3 of those doctors? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is yes. There are strategic reasons why you would do that. So let's say you believe you suffered significant injury and harm because of a number of different doctors. And now, because of what they did to you, you decide to bring lawsuits against 3 or 4 or 5 different doctors. Is there ever an instance where you will realize during the course of your lawsuit that doctors number 2, 3, 4, and 5 really didn't do anything wrong? And you don't want them in this case. And the only real target that you have is going after doctor number 1. The answer is yes. You have that ability. In other words, in order to bring a lawsuit for medical malpractice here in the state of New York, we have to have confirmation by a medical expert who confirms that there is wrongdoing and that the wrongdoing caused injury and significant harm. In order to confirm that all 5 of those doctors did something improper that caused you harm, our medical expert has to confirm that. But once we have started a lawsuit, now we have an opportunity to question the doctors during the course of the lawsuit. If it turns out that additional facts come to light, that doctors 2, 3, 4, and 5 really had nothing to do with causing your harm and injuries, do we have the ability to go ahead and let those doctors out of the case and just continue the case against doctor number 1? The answer is yes, we do. So there are clear strategic reasons why we may actually have to bring in all 4 or 5 of those doctors at the very beginning, because we may not have sufficient information to understand truly every single thing that happened. And only during the course of litigation do we learn more information that gives us a better understanding of exactly what each doctor did and why. And now, once we have that information, we can make a tactical decision about whether or not those other doctors still need to remain in the case, or whether we are better off going after just one of the doctors who we believe is entirely responsible for the injuries and the harms that you have suffered. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on every day in understanding the strategies and the tactics that are used in a medical malpractice case or an accident case or even a wrongful death case. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.